Want to learn how to change the password of your ChatGPT account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to change the password of your ChatGPT account. For that, make sure to go to your Google Chrome or choose a suitable web browser of your choice. Now, tap on the search a type web address option. Enter here chat.openai.com. This will take you to the official web page, the very first web page of ChatGPT, where you'll be welcome to get logged in or create a new account. Since we are trying to change the password, we need to tap on login option. So tap on login option here. As you do it, you'll get an option to enter your email address. So enter the email address here of your choice, and then that means of your account, and then scroll down and tap on continue option below. Since we're trying to change your password, what you can do is you can tap on forgot password. ChatGPT doesn't allow you to change the password directly, but what you can do is you can reset the password and then change it indirectly. I'm going to tap on forgot password. You can also do the same. So they will send us an email to our email address to reset our password. So what you can do is tap on continue option below. So here we need to check our email. So I'm going to go to my email address and check it. You can also do the same. So here on the top, here's a notification for changing password for OpenAI. So tap on it and then tap on reset password option here. Now you can enter a new password below to change your password. Tap a new password option and enter it. And then when you're done creating a new password, tap and re-enter the new password to confirm it. When you're done keeping a password, which must be at least of 8 characters, scroll down and tap on reset password below. So you can see that your password has been changed successfully. Now you can go back to apps client and start using it again. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.